ZK ZKEVM.
So zero knowledge at first was technology developed, not just developed, it was the idea that came around in the late 80s or so. And first it was a crypto mechanism to hide inputs. So you have to prove the calculation right. You give the inputs and you don't want to show those inputs. So initially it was a privacy preserving method, but now it's interesting to see that same
Initially
technology.
it was a solution for how to solve Sudoku, but don't show the solution.
Yeah.
And that was
state of the art
of zero knowledge at that time, I think.
Yeah, and initially those algorithms for constructing proofs were not very efficient. So the first efficient algorithms came in, I think, around 10 years ago or so. Or maybe less even. And today it's interesting to see the same principles not applied to privacy only, but applied to scaling Ethereum. So it's not really important to hide those transactions because blockchain is transparent. The idea is to put as much as possible transactions into blocks and to be sure that all the state changes are correct. So you're not proving, you're proving again the computation, but you're not hiding the inputs. It doesn't matter if you see the transaction, because the important thing is just to prove that the computation was correct. And now the interesting thing on the market is Polygon ZK EVM. So what the ZK EVM is EVM. It's Ethereum virtual machine. So it's a machine working on Ethereum, the backbone of Ethereum, but with a slight difference that it works like a zero knowledge machine.
Basically zero knowledge rollup, right? ZK rollup.
Well, similarly, yeah. The idea is to have the same transactions, not same transactions, same code running on Ethereum to be able to run on ZK EVM, but as a rollup.
Yep.
And then to submit those transactions in batches, put them as proofs, zero knowledge proofs, and send them to the main chain.